Black lives don't matter. Black money do. The money you make off of black bodies, that's what matters to America. Alright? You killing us every day. Choking us to death. We more than hashtags on t-shirts. You feel me? We more than hashtags on t-shirts. You permitting Americans to kill black Americans without any resolve. This is 2023. This ain't 1823. Black people got rights. Time for us to stand up and use them. That's Westmore. That's Jane Miller. Alright? That's Westmore. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Alright? It's a cup of coffee for us to have this conversation. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. And y'all permitting Baltimore City and Baltimore County to sell black people back into slavery. That's Kweisi and Mfume. I ain't got no beef with you. My beef is with Congressman Cummings. But you sitting in the seat, so you got to deal with me. It's a school of law. The Cary School of Law. And I'm giving you some law. These are your corrupt judges. Judges Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Sauter, Judge Pearson, Judge Holland. You got a couple judges. You got 9 judges that Governor O'Malley put in place to make money off of black bodies. And I was making a documentary about it. Like I said, that's Dick Gregory. I'm an activist. I'm a cook. I'm a caterer. I pay for my activism. That's my activism. 2014. False imprisonment, police brutality, judiciary fraud, prisoners' rights advocates, follow-up to a federal investigation. All right? You got that? President Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. This is a follow-up. I request to testify in front of the House Judiciary Committee. The House Judiciary Committee. I ain't testified in front of the House Judiciary Committee. I want to testify in the House Judiciary Committee. I want to testify in Annapolis, in Maryland, in front of the grand jury. That's Ivan Bates. And Ivan Bates got the evidence. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation. That's consent to be videotaped. Making a movie about Baltimore in your prison industry. That's parole and probation. Linda Dodge. See who that is? Kai Jackson, Mary Bugala, Fox 45. You see that? 2011. 2011. And Ivan Bates got this. That's why when he see me, he duck and cover and he run. All right? Like I say, that's President Obama. And this is a request from President Obama in 2008 to be for the investigation. So Ivan Bates, that's Ivan Bates and that's Theroux. And that's Governor O'Malley's prison industry. That's parole and probation. Release all material to the voters. If Theroux won, y'all's going to do the same thing. Ivan Bates won, y'all doing the same thing. Fox 45 put them in office. We talking about the money behind the machine. We talking about voter suppression. All right? That's Jared Germantes. That's Eric Holder from the Department of Justice, President Obama's administration. We talking about freedoms of speech, freedom of assembly. We talking about our rights under the 13th Amendment and how you use the 13th Amendment. That's the media, the Baltimore Sun, ABC, NBC, 98 Robt. That's WVON, Chicago. All right? TV cable network. You got that? That's me, 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped by the state. And Ivan Bates got evidence and knowledge. You can lose your office because you participated in fraud. Operation Greylord. We talking about the money behind the machine. Parole and probation. Parole and probation. Parole and probation. We talking about the new faces of old Jim Crow. Kai Jackson, Mary Bugala, Vic Carter. Yeah. All did the first story on me in 1997 when I came here. You talking about Shorty. Voter registration. Getting the vote out. I'm with Out for Justice. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block. And Westmore, it's the Westmore and Shorty Show. Westmore been knowing me since 2014. Ask Karen York, Robin Hood, Job Opportunity Task Force, Out for Justice. That's Dick Gregory. That's Shorty. That's Kweisi and Mfume. I never got a trial. And that's the case right there. Baltimore County is holding that. That's the case number. Baltimore County Police Department. Kidnapping, fraud in the court. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property theft. CD monitoring team. My paperwork is in the courts, and you holding it, making a movie about you. How do you represent us?